If you're looking to automate the process to grow your LinkedIn network, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you this awesome tool called Bulldog, which here you can see that I have been using this tool for almost a month and helps me to automatically send 300 connections and 70 people have accepted, and also help me to send messages to my first degree connections, also to my second or third degree connections, to be able to expand my network over the last 30 days. And here you can see that I can also be able to see the campaign performance on how many invitations being sent every day, how many messages being sent, and also how many replies we get. And if you were to zoom in more detail, we can also be able to see the past 7 days on what's the metric look like. And most importantly, I have been running this for 30 days and the results are pretty stable. And I was able to verify that the connections were sent every single day. Also the message being sent as well. And you can see that after the message being sent and a user accept my connections, you can see that the bot also able to send a follow-up message right after the connection is being connected. So with that being said, if you're looking to automate the process to grow your LinkedIn network, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this step by step so that if you're a job seeker, recruiters, sales who are looking to grow your LinkedIn connections, you can be able to do this with this tool. So with that being said, if you're interested, let's get into it. All right, so before we jump in, a quick intro for those who are new here. My name is Eric. I have spent years as a senior software engineer at companies like Amazon, AWS, and Microsoft. And I have started this YouTube channel to share everything I have learned along the way, from AI encoding to automations, Web3, career developments, and more, all broken down into practical tutorials that you can actually follow. So if you're ready to level up, make sure to check out my YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. Now let's get back to the video. All right, so to get started, first thing first, we navigate to bulldog.co, and here is their landing page. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sign up for free. And here you can see that once we sign up, here is gonna be the step where we're gonna connect our LinkedIn account with the platform. So here I'm just gonna sign in with LinkedIn. And here I'm just going to choose a method. So I'm just going to give the credentials. And after I give the credentials, here you can see that we're connected with LinkedIn. And all I had to do is just click on create a campaign. And here you can see that we can start to import people that we're going to interact with for this campaign. So I'm just gonna use the LinkedIn search. We're going to find people on using the LinkedIn filters, like the location filters, their job titles, and then be able to, copy the search page URL and be able to have the Bulldog here to handle the rest, right? Be able to import people into this campaign. So after I click on this, all I have to do here, just going to go to that LinkedIn Google people search, be able to copy that URL. So here you can see, I'm just gonna do a LinkedIn search, and here I can be able to select different people. I can be able to select different locations. And once I'm good with this, I can be able to copy the link for this and paste it here onto this prompt. So after I paste it, here you can see that I found 662 people, and I can be able to import all those 600 people into this campaign. So here you can see that after we import these people into campaigns, what we can do is we can choose a couple options. We can send invitations or 2 messages, or also send a message to the first degree connections only. So that's exactly what I did. Here you can see that after I open this message, I can be able to paste the message on what I'm gonna send. And here you can see I can be able to create some variables on what are some variables that's gonna be defined based on the LinkedIn profile for each person. For example, first name, last name, and the current company information. So I can be able to use that and be able to craft a custom message sent to each person. Now here you can see there's also options for us to add attachments, emojis, and here we can also be able to click on advanced settings. And here we can be able to choose the conditions for sending this message. So here we set it to always send, but there's also options where maybe like someone reach out to you and you want to send a follow-ups, right? So here you can see there's the preview. If everything's good, we're just gonna click on start the campaign. So we're just gonna give it a name for this campaign. So I'm just gonna say LinkedIn first degree technical sourcer, for example, right? And here we're just gonna set the time zone on where we're gonna start the campaign. So here you can see after we start the campaign, we have our campaign here. And here I'm also gonna create a new campaign here just for people who are second degree. So here I'm gonna set it here. And here you can see these are all people who are second degree, and I can be able to skip people that are already in the existing campaigns. And here I can be able to set how many people that I want to import, right? So there are 1,000 results, which I can import here, which is a lot. And then here I'm just going to import the 1,000 people. And here is going to be sending and connections. So because they are all second degree people, which means that they're not connected by myself. So I'm just gonna send a connections invite on those people. So here it's gonna send a connection request to people outside of my network, or I can also have the option to send an invite and also sending a couple messages after they have connected. All right, before we jump to the next part, let's give a quick shout out for the sponsor of this video, Submagic. So one of the most time consuming parts of the processing is the post-production, especially when you try to add captions or B-roll. And for that, I've been using this tool called Submagic, which has been a game changer for me. Simply, you can see that after I logged into Submagic, I have the ability to basically create a project. And here you can see that I have the option to generate captions, captions, clip the videos, get magic clips for generating shorts on a long video, or even generating B-rolls, translate captions, eye contact, clean audios, and so much more. Given that I'm mostly making long-form content, here you can see that this is a long-form content which is 11 minutes, and what this tool can do is that it will basically analyze the audio in about a couple minutes and generates incredible accurate captions like these. So for example, I can change the different styles, I can be able to increase the font size, I can also be able to change the colors or caption position. I can even have the ability to have AI here to add B-rolls on top of this video. For example, automatically ask the B-roll based on the transcript that I detect from the video. And this tool saved me so much time for doing some tedious editing. It's now handled all in minutes. So if you're a content creator, developer who makes the video and wants to dramatically speed up your workflow, I highly recommend checking them out. And I'll left the link for you down in the description. So with that being said, let's get back to the video. All right, so first thing first, we can start to set our connection request message. So here is gonna be the connection request message where here's the first name and here's the connection message. Try to keep it short and concise. And then here you can see there's also the send message here. So after the profile is connected, we can then send a message saying that thanks for connecting and so much more, right? So after it's gonna wait for 2 hours, right? So basically the invitation is accepted within the 14 days, and then after 2 hours it's going to send this message. So then after wait for 1 day, we can also append this, right? We can actually be able to wait for 1 day to send another follow-up message based on our preference. So let's say if we don't need this, we can actually delete this, and here you can see this is going to be our campaign to send connections to people who are second degree, right? So now we can start our campaign, and we're just going to change the name for this campaign to be LinkedIn second degree outreach for technical recruiters, for example, or technical sourcers. So here we're just gonna set this to be in our local time zone, and we're gonna start our campaign here. But if we want to see the context, we can also be able to view the context here. So here you can see these are all the context that's connected by first degree. And here you can see we can also filter by different types of campaigns, different types of people, right? All right, so now you can see that I have left the bot running for a couple days now. And here you can see that this is what the result look like for the dashboard. For the last 7 days, you can see that we have sent over 142 invitations, and here you can see that we have 43 people accepted, which is 30% for the acceptance rates. And currently I have left 1 campaign running, and this is the response rates, also the growth rates as well. Here you can see this is the campaign performance. In this case, we have sent 22 invites and 4 messages, right? And here we have sent this much of invites and this much of messages, right? And because like what we mentioned for the campaign, you can see that one of them is already completed and the other one is currently running. For example, one of the campaign that I set was like reaching out to the first degree people, which is only messaging, right? Because first degree, they're people who are already connected. We're just trying to set people who are within my network to see if there's jobs opening and such. Second degree is mostly people who are not connected. So I wanted to connect with them to ask for jobs. And these are currently running. That's gonna be a connection sent. And honestly, as a result, you can see that I have logged into my LinkedIn account. And here you can see that I have over 26 messages inside of my inbox. And I also have verified that in my network, these connections are actually connected real time, and I can be able to see the results right away. Okay, so honestly, I think that this is a really awesome tool. For privacy reason, I'm not able to disclose to you the messages, but what I can show you is that here you can see in my latest message, you can see that the message was connected first, right? Just like what I showed you for the campaign. After you connect it, you can see that there's also a follow-up message sent to Mike, right? So you can see that it actually sends a follow-up message just like what we said for the campaign, which is really awesome. And because for privacy reason, I'm not able to disclose all those chats, but at least you can see that there's definitely some blue ones which people are actually reaching out back to me because I'm using this campaign network with people automatically. This saves me so much time as a job seeker who are looking to find jobs through LinkedIn, through networking. And I have to say that this is definitely one of the best way to do this. So with that being said, if you're interested, automate your LinkedIn. Doesn't matter if you're job recruiters or sales, or if you're just a job seeker like myself who are looking for a more stable automation tool like this, where here you can see that I have been using this for quite a while now, for almost a month, and the results are amazing. Very stable. You can see that every day we have invitations sent, message sent, and also replies, which are being tracked here as well, so that you can be able to automate this process for networking. So pretty much that's it for this video. And if you do find value in this video, please make sure to like this video, consider subscribe for more content like this. But with that being said, I will see you in the next video.